Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best cordless vacuum with long battery life you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless vacuum with long battery life and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless vacuum with long battery life, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a cordless vacuum with long battery life. Start by checking the battery capacity and runtime, because a longer lasting battery ensures you can clean larger areas without interruptions. Look for quick charging features that reduce waiting time between uses. Next, assess suction power, since a strong motor helps pick up dirt efficiently even on carpets or hard floors. Consider the vacuum's weight and design for easy handling and storage, as heavier models can cause fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Also, check the dustbin capacity to avoid frequent emptying and ensure it's simple to detach and clean. Finally, look for extra features like multi-surface attachments or 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 filters that improve cleaning performance and air quality. Choosing wisely will help you enjoy hassle-free cleaning for years. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.